Greetings and welcome to another video. Today you will be explaining Neville Goddard and how to impress the subconscious. So by the end of this video you will know exactly what impressing the subconscious mind means, how you can impress the subconscious, and how to revert an unwanted impression. As always, I will be explaining everything in just 3 minutes, so let's get started. Consciousness is the essence of all creation, and if you understand how the love consciousness works and use this powerful knowledge, you can create your ideal world. In the previous video, we explained how the love consciousness works and how the conscious mind impresses ideas on the subconscious mind, and since the subconscious mind is impersonal and non-selective, it has no option but to express these ideas into reality. The subconscious does not originate ideas but accepts as true those which the conscious mind feels to be true. What is the definition of impression? Impression simply means to form an idea about something without conscious thought. In other words, it simply means conscious acceptance of an idea. As you realize, accepting the idea means having the feeling of reality when impressing an idea to the subconscious mind. And actually, this is exactly what Neville explains. It contemplates a feeling as a fact existing within itself, and on this assumption proceeds to give expression to it. It is now clear that ideas are impressed through feeling. Ideas are impressed on the subconscious through the medium of feeling. No idea can be impressed on the subconscious until it is felt, but once felt, be it good, bad or indifferent, it must be expressed. Feeling is the one and only medium through which ideas are conveyed to the subconscious. The subconscious does not care if something is true or false. It only cares to realize whatever you believe and feel to be true. The subconscious is not concerned with the true or falsity of your feeling. It always accepts as true that which you feel to be true. The moment an idea is felt as true fact, the subconscious mind will try to find ways for its realization. So, now that we know that feeling is the most important means of impressing the subconscious, we can understand how to control or even revert an unwanted impression. Since an impression can be so deeply planted into consciousness, that means it would need a stronger positive impression of the opposite feeling to overpower the negative impression. Every feeling makes a subconscious impression, and unless it is counteracted by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature, must be expressed. The dominant of two feelings is the one expressed. Neville gives us all the means to revert an unwanted impression. Revision can be a powerful tool, and also such visualization to neutralize and overpower an unwanted negative impression. Reverting is not the only tool, but also Neville shows us how to have control over negative impressions, but this is for another video. And that was the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, you can always leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and of course, you can always turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your recommendations and suggestions down in the comment section. Thank you for watching.